so tired and I did not do anything. I just came back from taking the kids to school, and I don't know why I'm so hungry today this early morning. So I don't even know what to do. I don't have anything to eat in this house. I have to cook because I don't want to eat bread. So maybe I'll just make some eggs, and I don't know. I'll just try and make something if I can. Mbaka bananas and kwaka itabachi. Say anjima kaman sha then I'll call someone to come and help me, because bandemi aiki kuma I sent her yesterday. Guys, I think the story Hasia gave us inspired me to come and talk about house helps. Some of them are monsters. Some of them are real monsters. Some of them are supposed to be locked up. They are not supposed to be allowed to be working to people and all that. I know that by the surrounds but that does not mean you should be wicked. Honestly, it does not mean you should be wicked. So if I can, I'm going to gist you about house helps, because I had a lot. If I can't, kuma shikena gabndef doma puska kuna gani. I'm going to scrub it with dilke a little bit later. So sai na ganku. In dai zan iya dafa abinci zan nuna muku insha Allah. Ba zan iya ba kuma oho, I'll just come and sleep and then ana saya agwaluma. Kun san nawa na saya agwaluma na? 160 naira only. Hi guys, so today I'm a little bit late to go pick up the kids from school. Kawai daga na dawo da su makaranta na ci abinci na kwanta na bacci na ga har lokacin daukan su yayi. So I didn't do anything. Like, this is the only thing I did. I just made bread. I ate bread. Na ce muku na ci wani abu zan gaya muku. So I ate bread. It's nothing to show you guys about. So I'm going to go pick them up now. And I left my neighbor. Nobody should laugh at me. I begged my neighbor to cook food for me, so I left her in the house making food now. So I am on my way to go pick them up. So I'm going to see you guys later. I need to start exercising. My people, guess what? I'm waiting for cows to pass before I pass. Like, you need to see the cows. So I'm waiting for them to pass before I'm able to pass. They are wasting my time. I'm already late to go pick my kids from school. But it's not like about time. I'm going to have a glass in. What you? I forgot. What's a carcass more than me? Got us pass among glass. I can't pass among you. Yo, they are on to say this in the page. I should not say I check this car. It's the motor and my tire is flat, so now I show you the kind of go and I got one masara like I'm on chop. Hey, let's eat some masara. Hi guys, just in case this vlog doesn't have an intro, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. And my name is Maria. So today, wallahi I'm just being dragged out. We're going to Chicken Republic to get Arif some chips. For me, I'm going to eat dumbo. Inshallah, they're making dumbo for me because I just want it. I ate my first dumbo here in Zaria and I really like it. It's such a nice food, so I want to eat it again today. And what again? I think that's all. I'm going to go and add fuel in my car, and I'm going to get Arif some chicken and chips, and then we're going to come back home. It's nothing special. I might order for pizza, and yeah, if I do that, you're going to see it. If I didn't do it, that means you're not going to see it. So now let's go and get some fuel in my car and go and get some chips and chicken and maybe ice cream. Maybe just maybe, because the weather is very, very cool. So guys, we just finished with Chicken Republic and we'll be heading home. I had to get Arif's charger because his charger is spoiled and I really need my phone to rest. I don't want him touching my phone. So I got his charger. This is my dumbo. I'm so excited to eat this dumbo. We got burger from Chicken Republic. I don't even know how to open it. Let me figure it out and come. Hi guys, good morning. I came out late to take the kids to school, and I just said today we're going to do Fast and Furious, and the first person that came to my head was Hasia. Like, she's the first person that came to my head because in one of our vlogs she was complaining about how people are driving when they are late to take the kids to school. That was the first thing I remembered. So guys, let me concentrate on driving. I'm going to see you guys later because it's going to be Fast and Furious. We're going to reach this school in the next 5 minutes, inshallah. So I'm going to see you guys later. Ow! Now she got pothole. Let me tell you what happened to me today. When I took the kids to school and come back, like, I slept on the chair. Like, I slept. I didn't wake up. Like, I woke up at 2:04 p.m. I didn't pray. I didn't do anything. And I am fasting, so I feel so weak. The kids were in school. I didn't go to pick them early. I had to, like, wake up. I just performed my ablution and prayed, and then I went straight to go and pick them up from school. Since one can't get out there. Why you? And I put the window, and I got a tripod again for the 3rd time. Hi, I think this will be the last tripod I'll get, honestly. In her tripod, then when I have I'm not going to get another tripod again, but I can just get another one and add it, like, but I will not get another one just because when I am bachi haka zamu ci gaba da yin video yanzu ma ba ku san cewa ba kan tripod nake muku magana ba. So all the tripod, like, I don't have good luck with tripod. All the tripod I bought sun lallace, wasu ma ba su yi sati ba suke lalacewa. So I got this one from Jumia. Tsaban san araha, tsaban san banza. I saw it for like 4,000 naira, and then I got it. Delivery from like Jumia to my place is not my house, my where your iska. So delivery from Jumia to where I am is 1,015 naira, and then I paid 2,000 from the station, like pickup station, to my place. So let's see what it looks like. Guys, I feel it's so cheap, it's not going to work, honestly. I don't know why. So Allah say, okay, let's see it. And I feel it's so tiny. Let's see. So guys, kusa dai ban da hakuri yagewa na. Let's open it. So it came with a charger. It came with this. I think this is the light. Yanda naga suke yi online, naga anan ake makalauta. Oh, haka ne. So this is what it looks like. Allah ya sa. To me, I don't know how to open this place. So okay. Kawai ja ake yi. Okay. Then what will I do? Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I really thought it would be taller than this. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And then you can on the light like this. Yeah, it has given a little. Oh! Naga kaman ƙaru gutan hasken ya ƙaru ko ido na ne? Na san naga hasken ya ƙaru. Let's do a thumbnail picture. The hasken. Oh Lord have mercy. Oh, but I'm liking the lights. I like it. This one is my thumbnail picture. Okay. So this is what I got. I hope this tripod lasts, honestly, because I don't even have hope. I swear I don't have hope. How does it happen? Let me carry my other phone and see. Yeah, I can see where and see. Taya ake saka. I don't know. Oh, ouch! I swear I hit my hand. Oh Lord have mercy. Okay, daga abun ake yi na ga. Sai a makalla. Okay. Okay. Can you see, guys? What is this? Oh, you're not rolling abun. Okay. Okay. I hope ba za ka bani kunya ba dai ka lalace kamar yan uwanka. Shine. Okay. So my cat has been disturbing me, jama'a. Wa yake son kuliya dan Allah in bashi? If you want cat, come and collect it. Okay. Kunga ya zauna, let me show you. Kunga ya zauna. Allah ya sa ya mun video mai kyau. Allah ya sa ya mun amfani. I hope it gingers me to get another tripod, because yes, I know I need another one. So I hope this just gingers me to get another one. So I think this should be the end of this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please, if you haven't watched my previous videos, kindly watch it, and please watch my ads. Thank you.
Okay.
I find this very, very beautiful. So guys, I told you the video is over, but apparently I'm here. I want to go to Chicken Republic and get something. I refused to eat food at all today, just because he wants to eat chips and chicken from Chicken Republic. So I'm going to go get it for him. And I don't know, if I see anything for my iftar, I might get something for myself. I will see you guys maybe later. Maybe this is the end of the video. Bye. Arif is showing you his balloon.
Because I like balloon every day.
So guys, we are here waiting for our order to be ready. And yeah, that's all. I just thought to update you guys. Zamashu and Lebanon. So bump for the charger. I'm my father. I want to talk to you.